Hello everyone, my name is Miriam Bakhit, and today I am willing to talk about my career and how I became a software engineer. We are going to start with these four main objectives, which are visions and opportunities, marketing and implementation strategy, my failure story in life, and ethics and inspiration. When I started to plan my future, I have put a vision and mission statements. My goal is to be successful and to be a great role model for others. And I will be graduating from university and applying for Google's company. After I graduated from Zaid University, I went to complete my education in Japan to get my master's degree. And of course, before all that, I have made sure to look for jobs that are available in the UAE and what are the requirements. Also asking myself if I am doing will help me in the future. As for my marketing and implementation strategy, for Google company who wants the best for their employees and users, the job that I am applying for is software engineer that might help you with your software and program applications. Unlike YouTube, our product can provide you the best experience while using it to explore the internet. I was willing to do something more in my career so I can be different from others. So I get more skills in communication, learn Java language that is related to computer science, and work for professionals and learn the best from them. What I did helped me a lot in my career because I was training myself for the future. And as we all know that behind every successful person, there is a failure story. And in my own experience, I have always wanted to be an aeroplane engineer, but I couldn't because of my low GPA, which the college I have applied for didn't accept me. And it made me feel so bad about myself that I didn't want to complete my education. However, after a few months, I have decided that it doesn't really matter. I can do something else, so I decided to find my passion. The lesson I have learned is that I might fail in something, but I can always find something else I am good at. And finally, ethics and inspiration. My actions now will affect my future, so I think that I always should be a trustworthy and a good listener, because I will work with teams and they will rely on me. And my personal business plan is creating software to make computing easier. In addition to that, for the mentors, I have decided to take an advice from my advisor, and his name is Dr. Basil Al-Murad, because he actually was majored in IT, which is really good because it will help me for my future and career. And my professor, and his name is Dr. Muhammad Hussein, because I can go to my professor in the office hours and ask for an advice, and he will help me, of course. As you can see here, this is the first basic application that I have ever created, and I wanted to show you everyone. It is a gaming application, and you can only buy video games for your console. And when I press the Explore Games button, it takes me to this screen right here. And as you can see here, I already searched for the game that I want, and it showed me 2 games that have the same title. Now when I press on the left button over here, it will take me to the screen. Then I press yes to put my PIN card. When I press enter, it will show me the downloading screen, which means the game is currently downloading on my console. And if we go back to the main screen and chosen the different game, we press yes, and then we put a different code, which is wrong of course. It will show us that the PIN is valid and we should try again or cancel. And I press cancel, go back to the main screen, and this is the basic application that I have created. And finally, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you everyone for listening, and I really hope you enjoyed this video.